GCP, Learn the Cloud Platform. In this course, we will cover GCP, why GCP, GCP Features, GCP Services, GCP Platform, GCP Uses. GCP. GCP is a cloud computing platform and an online portal to access and manage resources and services provided by Google. GCP is Google Public Cloud Platform. GCP offers a large collection of services including platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, and managed databases services capabilities. GCP, like other cloud platforms, relies on a technology known as virtualization. GCP is a set of cloud services to help your organization meet your business challenges. It's the freedom to build, manage, and deploy applications on a massive global network using your favorite tools and framework. Cloud computing is on-the-demand delivery of computing power, database storage, applications, and other resources through a cloud services platform via the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. It is the use of remote servers on the internet to store, manage, and process data rather than a local server or your personal computer. In April 2008, Google announced a new release of App Engine, a developer tool that allowed users to run their web applications on Google infrastructure. The goal of App Engine was to make it easy to get started with a new web app, and then make it easy to scale when that app reaches the point where it's receiving significant traffic and has millions of users. Why Google Platform? Security. Google's security model goes the extra mile with scalable infrastructure and innovation capabilities to help keep your organization secure and compliant. Support. Each and every GCP customer gets basic support for free. If you need extra help, you can upgrade to a premium support package and get greater access to support engineers. Reputation. It's Google. Enough said. Flexibility. Brian Stevens, Google Cloud's CTO, said, "We are entering a future marked by openness and interoperability, and Google is at the forefront." Analytics. Data is behind everything Google does. Google Cloud Platform is a suite of cloud computing services that run on the same infrastructure that Google uses internally for its end user products, such as Google Search, Gmail, Google Photos, and YouTube. We all know how big is the database of Gmail, YouTube, and Google Search. GCP Features. Pricing. Google recently shifted its pricing model to include sustained use discounts and per minute billing. Billing starts with a 10-minute minimum and bills per minute for the following time. Hosting. The cloud platform offers two hosting options: the App Engine, which is their platform as a service, and Compute Engine as an infrastructure as a service. Containers. Containers are especially useful in a platform as a service situation because they assist in speeding deployment and scaling apps. Big data. The Google Cloud Platform offers a big data solution, but there are two unique tools for big data processing and analysis on Google Cloud Platform. First, BigQuery allows users to run SQL-like queries on terabytes of data. Plus, you can load your data in bulk directly from your Google Cloud storage. The second tool is Google Cloud Data Flow. Also announced at I/O, Google Cloud Data Flow allows you to create, monitor, and glean insights from a data processing pipeline. Andromeda. Google Cloud Platform networking tools and services are all based on Andromeda, Google's network visualization stack. Load balancing. In June, Google announced the Cloud Platform HTTP load balancing to balance the traffic of multiple compute instances across different geographic regions. Cloud Debugger. The Cloud Debugger gives developers the options to assess and debug code in production. Developers can set a watch point on a line of code, and anytime a server request hits that line of code, they will get all the variables and parameters of that code. CloudTrace. CloudTrace lets you quickly figure out what is causing a performance bottlenecks and fix it. The base value add is that it shows how much time your product is spending processing certain requests. Maintenance. Google does routine testing and regularly sends patches, but it also sends all virtual machines to live migrate away from maintenance as it is being performed. Compute Engine automatically migrates your running instance. CloudSave. The CloudSave API was announced at the 2014 Google I/O Developers Conference by Greg DeMicheli, the Director of Product Management on the Google Cloud Platform. CloudSave is a feature that lets you save and retrieve per user information. It also allows cloud stored data to be synchronized across devices. GCP Services. GCP consists of services such as compute, storage and database, networking, big data, developer tools, identity and security, Internet of Things, cloud AI, management tools, data transfer. Compute. GCP provides a scalable range of computing options you can tailor to match your needs. It provides highly customizable virtual machines and the option to deploy your code directly or via containers. Google Cloud gives you options for computing and hosting. You can choose to do the following: work in a serverless environment, use a managed application platform, leverage container technologies to gain lots of flexibility, build your own cloud-based infrastructure to have the most control and flexibility, such as Google Compute Engine, Google App Engine, Google Kubernetes Engine, Google Cloud Container Registry, and Cloud Functions. Networking. The storage domain includes services related to networking. It includes the following services: Google Virtual Private Cloud, Google Cloud Load Balancing, Content Delivery Network. While App Engine manages networking for you and GKE uses the Kubernetes model, Compute Engine provides a set of networking services. These services help you to load, balance traffic across resources, create DNS records, and connect your existing network to Google's network. Virtual Private Cloud (VPC) provides a set of networking services that your VM instances use. An instance can have more than one interface, but each interface must be connected to a different network. Every VPC project has a default network. You can create additional networks in your project, but networks cannot be shared between projects. Storage and databases. The storage domain includes services related to data storage. It includes the following services: Google Cloud Storage, Cloud SQL, Cloud Bigtable, Google Cloud Data Store, Persistent Disk. Whatever your application, you will probably need to store some media files, backups, or other file-like objects. Google Cloud provides a variety of storage services including consistent, scalable, large capacity data storage and cloud storage. Cloud storage comes in several flavors. Standard cloud storage provides maximum availability. Cloud storage nearline provides low-cost archival storage ideal for data access less than once a month. Cloud storage cold line provides even low-cost archival storage ideal for data access less than once per quarter. Cloud storage archive provides the lowest cost archival storage for backup and disaster recovery ideal for data you intend to access less than once a year. Big data. The storage domain includes services related to big data. It includes the following services: Google BigQuery, Google Cloud Data Proc, Google Cloud Data Lab, Google Cloud PubSub. BigQuery provides data analysis services. With BigQuery, you can create custom schemas that organize your data into datasets and tables, load data from a variety of sources including streaming data, use SQL-like commands to query massive datasets very quickly. BigQuery is designed and optimized for speed. Dataflow is also a great for extract transformation load (ETL), which are used for moving data between different storage media, transforming data into a more desirable format, or loading data onto a new storage system. PubSub is an asynchronous messaging services. Your application can send messages as JSON data structures to a publishing unit called a topic. Cloud AI. The storage domain includes services related to machine learning. It includes the following services: Cloud Machine Learning, Vision API, Speech API, Natural Language API, Translation API, Jobs API. AI platform combines the managed infrastructure of Google Cloud with the power and flexibility of TensorFlow. You can use it to train your machine learning models at scale, or to host trained models to make predictions about new data in the cloud. AI platform enables you to train machine learning models by running TensorFlow training applications on Google Cloud and host those trained models for you so you can use them to get predictions about new data. AI platform manages the computing resources that your training job needs to run, so you can focus more on your model than on hardware configuration or resource management. Management tools. The storage domain includes services related to monitoring and management. It includes the following services: Stackdriver, error reporting, monitoring, trace, logging, cloud console. Developer tools. The storage domain includes services related to development. It includes the following services: Cloud SDK, Deployment Manager, Cloud Source Repositories, Cloud Test Lab. The GCP platform has many benefits. It's cost effective, it's highly scalable, it has custom machine types, it provides the Internet of Things, it has an API platform and an ecosystem, it provides big data analytics, it comes with cloud AI functionality, and the best of it all, it is serverless. GCP uses. Developers building cloud native web or mobile applications are often drawn to Google Cloud Platform, particularly the App Engine Pass. When startups looking to scale rapidly, the cloud computing services commitments to performance, innovation and openness and low prices make it popular. When it is difficult to estimate and compare public cloud prices, Google's commitment to price leadership make it a good choice for budget conscious organizations of all sizes, and certainly for hybrid IT users. Google offers strong capabilities in big data analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. It had created and or contributed to many of the most popular open source projects in this area, and it infuses its cloud offerings with that expertise. Those big data capabilities are augmented by Google's inexpensive cloud storage, which makes this cloud platform cost effective for storing large volumes of data. Google is also working to distinguish itself in the area of container technology. When looking for cloud-based container tools, as Google created Kubernetes, open source container management solution that is integrated into its cloud, and it also has strong support for Docker. GCP is Google Public Cloud Platform. GCP offers a large collection of services including platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, and managed database capabilities. Google Cloud Platform is a suite of cloud computing services that run on the same infrastructure that Google uses internally for its end user products, such as Google Search, Gmail, Google Photos, and YouTube. We all know how big is the database of Gmail, YouTube, and Google Search, and offers security support and flexibility. The important feature of GCP are pricing, hosting, containers, big data, Andromeda, etc. This overview covers the following types of services: computing and hosting storage, databases, networking, big data, machine learning. Those big data capabilities are augmented by Google's inexpensive cloud storage, which make this cloud platform cost effective for storing large volumes of data. Google is also working to distinguish itself in the area of container technology. When looking for cloud-based containers tools, as Google created Kubernetes, open source container management solution that is integrated into its clouds, and it also has strong support for Docker. Thank you. KloudLearn Incorporated is headquartered in Silicon Valley, California. Our mission is to help enterprises provide an engaging and impactful learning experience that improves business performance. We provide the industry's most modern LMS. For more information, visit us at www.cloudlearn.com or reach out to us at info@cloudlearn.com.